Managing stress and anxiety effectively involves a combination of immediate coping strategies and long-term lifestyle adjustments. Here are some evidence-based techniques. So, some immediate coping strategies. Deep breathing. You can try diaphragmatic breathing. That means inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, and exhaling for 6 seconds, and repeat until you feel a bit calmer. We have grounding techniques like the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method, where you can identify 5 things you see, 4 things you touch, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, and 1 thing you taste. There's progressive muscle relaxation, where we tense and release different muscle groups to reduce tension. Your therapist can help guide you through a script for progressive muscle relaxation. There's mindfulness and meditation, engaging in guided meditations or focusing on present moment awareness without judgment. And also visualization, so picturing a calming place or a positive outcome to shift your mindset.